If you want to see how I took this dirty, disgusting, disorganized garage to this simple, clean, organized garage, stay tuned, guys. Oh my God. Okay. So you are standing on a tripod. So I'm sorry if it's a little bit noisy or wiggly. So this is what happened when you live in a winter estate. As you can see, I have a couple of things that I held there, and I tried to be organized, but as you can see, so this is what I want to inspire you guys today to do. Let's go closer. Look at the mess. Extra decorations, extra strollers, bike that does not fit any kids, and things like that. So let's get started. It was that easy, right? To snip everything out and it's all done, but it's not true. So progress. So much junk out here, and I will go through all of this, but I will do it tomorrow or Thursday, and there's more to go. Let's do it. Okay, so we got everything out. Can you hear echo, echo, echo? Except there's a charcoal thing right there. I totally forgot. So I'm gonna now sweep the floor, dust these, remove those two, add the new ones, the yellow ones, right here and right there. Let's do it. So I wanted to go and add the shelves on top of each other, but they did not work out because they were different sizes and length. So now let's go ahead and sweep the garage, get some of the bigger, bigger trash out. Then we will come back and sweep it thoroughly. Let's do it. let's put things back. So far, we emptied out here. We have organized here. Oh, how pretty. This is going, this is going, these are going. Okay, I want to share with you all my thought process. So the goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to declutter, minimize, and organize. So here is my Christmas shelf. So I know here, these are my Christmas wreath mostly, and I have a spring wreath right there, but all my Christmas decors are all in this bin, including that bin because couldn't fit there. Now here it's gonna be all my food things. I have extra bulk of food that I have no pantry space. My house is not fancy. So these are where I'm gonna keep some of them, things like that, onions and things like that. And here I have just a regular home decors. Sorry, the light is just going off and on here. Okay, so I need to get myself a couple of bins, obviously, but the pillows work for me best like that. And I have some, I think these are lanterns, extra home decors down there. My 2 trays that I narrowed to, because those are the ones I gravitate to. As you know, I don't like a lot of things. And I have my decor vases, some candle holders. And here there was nothing to put there, so that's fine. These are like regular home decor, so for every seasons. And here it's like fall. I'm so proud of myself. I have only 2 fall bins, yay. And extra things that I need to hang, curtains that I need to hang, wires, extra extension cords. And these are like what is it called? Birthday decors, extra wires, extra things. When we go to the beach, the kids have their own surfing boards. So all of those extra things for the house. We have some extra lighting fluid, weed killers, all of that is there. Now I came here and then I added some shoes. Well, they added shoes, but these are the shoes that we grab quickly and go. So I'm going to go ahead and get another floor mat right there. I'm going to clean this door and clean this outlet. Obviously, how disgusting. So I am still not done, but as I say, perfection is not the goal. I'm going to stop the video here. My husband and I will definitely get this floor taken care of. When he's here, he can help me quicker. I'm getting tired. It's been 2 straight days and I'm super uber tired. And these usually go on the front porch, but right now I just decided to just keep that front porch. It's pretty simple, so I don't have it there. I don't use this all the time. It's my carpet cleaner, so I kept it where I don't reach it, so it's not blocking the door. And my vacuum is there. I have a broom, mop, and the dustbin goes right in the middle there. This is going to go to the Goodwill. My things for my backyard when we did our backyard ourselves. But as you saw the before and aftermath of this place, it was horrible.